Welcome to the We Buy Houses podcast with our host, Brian Spitz, president of Big State Homebuyers, leading the seamless approach to real estate investing in Houston since 2005. Brian's specialty in this large wholesale operation is facilitating real estate solutions for people wanting to sell quickly. Each week, we discuss the ins and outs of wholesale real estate investing and related topics by professionals who matter. And now, here's Brian.
Hello, I'm Brian Spitz, president of Big State Homebuyers, and today we're visiting with James Beaver from Envoy Mortgage, and we're going to talk a little bit about the difference between conventional financing, traditional financing, and FHA financing. So this is when you go to borrow money to buy a new home. James is an expert at mortgage lending and offers great services at Envoy Mortgage. So tell us about these two types of loans.
Thanks a lot, Brian. Appreciate you having me. So basically, a majority of the mortgages that are made in the United States today are backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Okay, these are what we label as conventional conforming mortgages, and then there's another chunk of mortgages that are FHA loans. It's a government-backed loan program.
Another one.
Yeah, governments and kind of everything now at this point, but basically, really, they're both great options. It just kind of depends on the situation, the home buyer, and what their needs and goals are. A conventional loan, one that's backed by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, will tend to give you a little bit lower pricing as it relates to mortgage insurance and things of that nature. If you're putting less than 20% down.
That's kind of the marker, though, isn't it? The down payment amount?
Yeah, down payment amount is really one of the first things that we look at. FHA is going to give you a little bit more flexibility if maybe the credit is just slightly off where you'd like it to be. Maybe the down payment needs are such that the home buyer doesn't want to put as much down. Gives you more flexibility in some respects. Also, the conventional loan is going to offer interest rates that are more credit score sensitive. So if an FHA buyer has slightly less than A+ credit, they may actually get a better interest rate with an FHA loan, but they may be paying more in terms of mortgage insurance over the life of the loan.
Okay.
So there's really not a right or a wrong answer. It's kind of a question of which one is the right fit for the home buyer. There's
different amounts the max that you can borrow too on each of them. So FHA has a maximum of.
Right now in our area, it's $295,550.
That's the maximum you can borrow on an FHA loan.
Correct.
And then the maximum for conventional is $417,000.
$417,000.
And then when you get out of that, you're into jumbo loans.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's a jumbo loan?
A jumbo loan is a loan that is greater than $417,000.
Yeah.
Typically, jumbo loans are investor-backed, and they don't quite fit into the same box as that conventional, that Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac mortgage.
Right.
And that's in our area. Those are also tiered in different areas.
Right, and so an FHA you can have as little as 3% down?
3.5% down. Yeah.
And then is there a minimum with conventional lending?
5% down right now.
But you have to have good credit for that.
Good credit.
Yes.
Yeah. The less you put down on a conventional loan, the more important your credit score is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So if somebody wants to find out which one of these is best for them, how can they reach you?
Best just give me a call at 713-328-1138, or you can visit our website. That's www.envoymortgage.com, and you can click on Find a Loan Officer and just punch my name in, James Beaver.
Excellent.
And then reach out to me that way.
Excellent. And if you or anyone you know is interested in selling a property and you'd like a free, no-obligation quote on your house, you can reach us at bigstatehomebuyers.com.
You've been listening to We Buy Houses with your host, Brian Spitz, president of Big State Homebuyers. Don't forget to visit our website, bigstatehomebuyers.com, for more information on how to sell your house. We pay $500 for referrals, so tell your friends too.